Are you tired of distracting noise? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing airplane engines, bustling coffee shops, or even a noisy office with just a touch. Plus, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls will last longer than your longest day. That's multiple flights, workdays, or study sessions without ever needing to find a charger. And for the multitaskers, the XM5s feature seamless multipoint connection, letting you switch between two devices instantly. Easily jump from a laptop video call to a phone call without missing a beat. It's truly a game changer for productivity. Beyond these standout features, the audio quality is phenomenal, and their lightweight, comfortable design makes them perfect for all-day wear. If you're ready to upgrade your listening experience, check out the latest deals on these incredible headphones via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone searching for the best noise-canceling headphones to buy in 2025, the XM5s are undoubtedly a top contender. Don't just listen. Immerse yourself. Grab your Sony WH-1000XM5s today.